Hello everyone, my name is Jiang Kaixin and my metric number is A206999. The topic of my speech is public transportation should establish dedicated pet carriages. Imagine holding your sick puppy in a small box, hurrying to the vet, but being told no by the subway and bus one after another. This is not a racing. According to data from the World Pet Association, more than 72% of the pet owners around the world have had to skip important trips, like taking their pets to the vet, because public transportation doesn't allow the pet. This surprising number shows a big problem in our daily travel that we've ignored for a long time. Whether you have a pet owner or not, this topic matters to you. If you own a pet, it means fixing the trouble of taking your pet out. If you don't, it can stop fights between pet owners and other passengers on public transport, making your trip more comfortable and smooth. To talk about this topic, I prepared a lot. I've read materials about pet owners on public transport from over 10 countries, like the US, Australia, and China. I also collect data from trusted groups, such as the World Pet Association and China Daily. These different kinds of research let me look at setting up special pet carriages in a fair and practical way. So my ideas are backed by real facts and can be trusted. The point of this speech is to show that the current no pets allowed rule on public transport makes life hard for pet owners and even causes problems in society. I will also say that setting up special pet carriages is a good way to fix this and explain how these steps helps both people and the community. Next, I'll first talk about two big problems from the no pet allowed rule. It takes away a pet owner's right to travel easily, and it makes fights between passengers worse. Then, I'll suggest setting up special pet carriages and explain two key ways to do it. Making clear rules for using them and adding good equipment. Finally, I'll talk about the many good things this solution brings, like making pet owners' trips better and helping people travel in a greener way. I'll focus on three main parts: problems, solution, and benefits. Before we talk about how to help pet owners take public transport easily, let's first understand the specific problem from the no pet allowed rule. This rule main causes two big issues. First, it stops pet owners from traveling when they need to. Second, it makes fight between passengers worse. A survey in Sydney, Australia shows that 85% of pet owners have skipped necessary trips, like taking their pets to the vet, because public transport wouldn't let them in. This really hurts their daily life. In Hong Kong, over the past year, there have been more than 200 fights between pet owners and other people have public transport stops. This fight happened because pet owners tried to take their pets on their board, and some even turned into physical fights. All these facts show that the current rule doesn't help people travel in peace. Since the no pets allowed rule has caused so many problems, is there a way to fix it? Yes, set up special pet carriages on public transport. We can do this in two key ways. Make clear rules for using the carriages and add good equipment. Amtrak has clear rules for these pet-friendly carriages. For example, only small dogs and cats under 20 pounds are allowed, and they must be in a proper box. This keeps the carriages in order. At the same time, China's Beijing-Shanghai high-speed railway has good temperature and humidity sensors and smell removing tools to these special pet carriages. This keeps the carriages comfortable and clean. This successful example proves that the solution works. After knowing how to set up special pet carriages, let's talk about the good things this can bring. Setting up these carriages has many benefits. It makes pet owners' trips better and helps promote greener travel. A survey by a group called Secret to Happy Pets shows that after the US started bus routes that allowed pets, 90% of pet owners said their trips got much better. They were also more willing to take public transport instead of driving their own cars. After Changchun started special pet trains, 35% fewer pet owners drove their own cars. This not only made city traffic less busy, but also cut down on carbon gas, helping to protect nature. It's clear that its steps helps both people and society. Still talking about the problems, solutions, and benefits above, we now fully understand why public transport should have special pet carriages. To sum up, first, the current NotPet allows rule takes away pet owners' right to travel easily and causes fights between passengers. Second, setting up special pet carriages with clear rules and good equipment is a workable solution. Third, this solution makes pet owners' trips better and helps people travel in a greener way to protect the environment. Now, I hope everyone can do two simple things. If you own a pet, you can write a letter to the local public transport office to suggesting setting up special carriages. If you don't own pets, you can tell your family and friends about the good things of this idea so more people will support it.